So you just changed your water pump on your Land Rover Discovery, but you don't have a vacuum to go ahead and purge the system. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So the first thing you want to do is fill this up to the proper level. Then we're going to go inside the car. All right, so now that you filled it to the proper level, you're going to go ahead and start the vehicle. And then you're going to turn the heat all the way up, but you're going to keep it on the lowest fan setting. That's very important. So the reason you want it on the lowest fan setting is because you want that thermostat to open up. If you put it on the highest, it's going to pull out all the heat from the coolant and it's going to push those bubbles straight through into the engine. And you don't want that. So put it on the lowest setting first. And then you're going to come back and check it. It needs some more, so let's top it off. All right, so we put some more in. Another little trick you could do to help get those air bubbles out is locate this top hose and just start squeezing it. And that's gonna help with purging those air bubbles out of the system. So once it's warmed up, what we can start doing is we can go ahead and hit the gas going from 1,000 RPMs to 2,000 at most. So you do it in little bursts. And then that'll help those bubbles purge out as well. So with these Land Rovers, the internal temperature for the engine doesn't show on the actual dashboard. So what you can do is come down here, touch this hose, and if it's hot, that's an indicator. Also, that fan and this fan should be spinning, and that tells you that the thermostat has opened up and is pushing that coolant through. So another thing we're gonna do to test and make sure there's no more air bubbles in the system is turn up the fan speed all the way up. And you should have continuous heat coming out of these ports. If you don't, then that's a key indicator that there's still air bubbles in the system. And boom, just like that, you bled your reservoir without a vacuum. Always remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it.